Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming access. Sign into the client's Google account or request delegated access, then enable two-step verification for security. Once done, create a dedicated calendar for that client, pick a color, and set default reminders so events never slip. Next, install the Google Calendar app on your phone and add the account to your desktop calendar overlay. This ensures you see availability across devices. Make sure calendar sharing settings allow editing and event details to keep scheduling efficient and accurate. You now build the workflow. Create event templates for common meetings with preset titles, guest lists, locations, and attached agendas or files. Once templates exist, use them to create events quickly and maintain consistency. Then, block recurring focus periods and buffer times between meetings to prevent overlaps. Set client-specific working hours to avoid out-of-hours bookings. Finally, integrate scheduling links like Google appointment slots or a third-party tool so external stakeholders can self-book only during available slots, reducing back and forth. You finish by confirming each event immediately with an automated email that includes agenda, location, and prep notes. Add a follow-up task on the calendar for accountability. Once confirmed, automate routine jobs like meeting summaries, client reminders, and rescheduling using simple scripts, Zapier, or Calendar API triggers so repetitive work disappears. If something breaks, troubleshoot methodically. Verify calendar permissions. Ensure all devices use the correct time zone, and check sync status in the app before escalating. This solves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.